Hello, welcome to Iconic Brands. Today I want to talk about some helpful garage tips. Firstly, I want to show you how to make your own disposable funnel and then make a garage indicator for more accurate parking. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to make that funnel. This way please. All you need to make this funnel is a plastic bottle like this one and a pair of scissors. Cut the bottle about halfway, like so. Cut it there. There you have it. Take the top off. Make sure it's clean, obviously, and there you have a funnel, homemade. One disposable funnel for your engine oil. Not a drop spilled. Funnel for the oil and a funnel for the water if you desire. Even use this one for the water if you wish, but only when it's cold. And now I'm going to show you how to make a garage indicator for more accurate parking. All you'll need is some string and something to attach on the end. I use the end of a roll of tape, but you can use a ball or anything like that. This is a very simple but effective idea. Simply suspend a piece of string or cord from your garage roof. Measure it down to the window screen. Attach something soft to the end of the string. I've used the inside of a tape, like so. Something soft that won't damage the car, certainly not metal or anything like that. A piece of rubber, anything will do as long as it's got a little bit of weight but not too much. Then suspend it down to the just touching your window screen. Then next time you drive into your garage, you know where to stop. Perfect parking every time.